All right, welcome back to Classy Bonsai. We're going to unload the kiln. Got my some gloves. We got this one. We'll show you a better view of these when we get in the house. That's a glaze I made, Blue or eBay. Turned out pretty awesome. This is the unglazed one. This is the one I polished, remember?
Yeah, I do remember that.
I burnished this one. It cracked. Look.
Oh no, that's
it's alright, it just cracked on the bottom.
It's really smooth.
Yeah, that's what happens when you burnish them.
It stayed smooth is what I meant.
Yeah. Well, that one turned out pretty cool. I hear them pinging. They don't like the cold.
Are they clinking together, or are they making that noise?
That's the sound. The pinging is the sound of the glaze, like cracking and expanding from getting it. It's called thermal stress. When you put something that was super hot, you can look in there. If you take something that was super hot and cool it down too fast, it's called thermal stress. Let's see how these look. One turned out pretty cool. That's an ash glaze. Not bad. There we go. Ooh, that's beautiful.
That is pretty nice.
It's an ash glaze I made also. This one looks neat. Oh, that's rad, dude.
Oh, that is. Whoa, that is cool.
I don't remember the glaze combos. There's like 3 glazes on there. That's why I write it all down. I did that yesterday, dude. How can I remember yesterday? Well, that one turned out pretty cool.
I did 30
Look at that.
ago. Whoa. Were those like the...
This is the blue and green Oribe ones that I just made.
That looks like the Northern Lights.
It does look like a little bit. The Aurora Borealis.
Yeah.
It turned out pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, that's what I got doing. Turned out how I wanted.
Frog throne.
I wanted it to be brown. Did you call it a frog throne?
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, yeah, there's yours. Let's get this one out then. Oh, that's stuck. Oh, not too bad. It turned out pretty good. I should have glazed those better and put this on thicker, I guess. Shit. I didn't put that Oribe glaze on thick enough. Oh well. I blew it. You blew it. Let's look at yours.
The drip glaze didn't really work.
You didn't put it on dark enough, I guess.
Oh, but it looks
cool. It looks cool though. Looks good, dude. It's hot. I can feel it through the Why would you touch it? I'm wearing fireproof gloves.
I didn't think it was that hot. Ow.
Oh, see, this one I put on dark enough.
That's beautiful. Ow. No.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, when somebody says it's hot, you shouldn't. You should just believe me.
Yeah, you're right.
Turned out pretty cool. That turned out pretty neat.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a wild one. These ones are ones I reglazed because I hated the glaze that was on them before. Turned out much better. Much better. Same with this one. It's a reglaze. Didn't turn out much better. Still shit. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. That one's pretty cool. Ugly. Yeah. That's right. It's ugly when it went in. Purple.
It's pretty nice.
Another one I reglazed. Looks much better now. I like it. All right. Now I don't hate those pots. We're getting down to the bottom. Grandma's stuff. It's grandma's stuff down there. Looks like it all stayed up. Stayed good. My gnome. My gnome fired. Oh, look at that.
Looks good.
It's pretty nice. See if this cup got any better. Oh yeah, it's much better than it was. No purple crystals.
I accidentally touched that one when it was wet.
That's all right. Where's your fingerprint?
I don't know. Might be on there. I left my mark.
Mug I made for John.
I like that one. That's nice. It's a nice spot. Yeah, it's a really nice pot. No, not pot.
I know what you mean. Coffee mug. Let's get the old gnome out. I like it. That's a silly, silly gnome.
That's good.
Oh, the worm broke.
Oh no.
He stayed on, but he's cut in half.
It's like all worms.
He's still living. Somehow. That one turned out cool. Unglazed.
Nice.
Unglazed. Shit. Another nice polished one, unglazed.
Yeah. They keep getting hot. Do they get hotter and hotter as they go down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another unglazed one.
Well, that one's pretty nice.
Yeah, I like that. That's reclaimed clay, like a bunch of old clay mashed together.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it turned out neat. That's what this clay is too.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look at that little swirl. Pretty rad.
I want to make a pot one.
Another little unglazed one.
I like the unglazed one.
Yeah.
I kind of want to make a tall, not too tall. Okay. Grandma did a good job on that.
Yeah. That's
Whoa.
pretty cool.
The one with 1,000 glazes on it. I want that one.
All right, I got to figure out where I'm going to put these so they don't break. They're so delicate. I should have clear glazed these. They might have to get refired. Some of them I didn't put clear on. Yeah, probably. Yeah. She didn't want them shiny. As long as he's not going to put them out, they're not going to put them outside. It'll be okay.
That one's pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder where the one with 1,000 glazes on it.
Grandma's?
Yeah.
I don't remember. She didn't have one with 1,000 on it.
That might be it.
It's pretty cool.
She did a good job for the first time.
Yeah.
Oh, that was the one.
Little morel mushrooms. That one. Should have glazed that. That's my fault. Forgot to clear them. They're pretty cool little guys. It's pretty cool on top.
That's the glaze I used.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I love that pot. My expectations were reached for that pot that I made.
Good.
And how's it got that one?
Yeah, and that's it.
All right.